Hi, welcome back to my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. I hope everybody's doing well and doing okay today in 2025, brand new year. So I've got another video coming up on some wireless earbuds. So these are by Soundpeats. So these are the Soundpeats Pearl Clip Pro open back wireless earbuds. I'm going to see how these are because these are really good for in the gym, walking, because they're open back, you can still hear your surroundings. These were actually sent to me by Soundpeats as well. Let's just get straight into the video and have a look at these earbuds. Right, welcome back. These are the Soundpeats Pearl Clip Pro. So these are some open back earbuds, which a lot of companies are going for now because they're open back, so you can still hear what's going on around your surroundings when you've got them on. These have a 12mm dual magnetic driver, 24 hours playtime, and they've got a silicon and memory steel wire casing on them. So I have used these out in the gym, walking and everything like that. I'm just showing you the boxing. They're quite flexible. I'll get them out of the box in a minute. So I was quite impressed as well with the sound quality on these as well. For you tech people out there who are into specs, so it's Bluetooth version 5.4. Response range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Minimum working distance from the device that you're using is 10 meters, and play time's about 6 hours, up to 24 hours with the charging case, and battery capacity is a 35 milliamp battery for the earbuds and 350 milliamp for the charging case. In the box, there's not much to it. You've just got your standard USB-C charging cable and some spare earbud tips as well. Right, so these are them in the charging case. So it's a nice like grey silvery colour. So you've got the USB-C charging port there, and then you've got the Soundpeats logo on there as well. And then there's a button there where if you press that and tell you that there's charge in them as well. So that's what they look like inside the charging case. So let's just take them out of the charging case. So let's just have a look at one of the earbuds. So like I said, they're open back earbuds. So they go in your ear, but you can still hear stuff outside as well. So I like the design of them. They're really small, as you can see, quite flexible as well, because some open back earbuds that I have reviewed, there's not much flexibility there. So these have got some flexibility on them as well. So you've got the charging connectors there when they go into the case. As I said, I have used these out in the gym, gone on walks as well. You know, I am quite impressed with these. So these are the new Soundpeats Pearl Clip Pros. Really good sound quality. Obviously with open back earbuds, you're not going to get a heavy bass quality with them, but they are clear on the sound quality and everything like that. So like I said, they are perfect for the gym, or if you're walking and going out walking or whatever. These are perfect because you can still hear the outside as well. There is the Soundpeats app as well that you can adjust the equalizer on there as well. Right, so this is what they're like in the ears. So they are very comfortable, as you can see in my ears here. So they do fit really nice in the ears. They don't move about or anything like that, you know. They are really secure. So I was really impressed with these, you know, taking these out to the gym and going for walks and everything like that. Like I said, the highs and the mids are really good on these open back earbuds. But obviously if you want more bass, then you would have to go for some, you know, traditional earbuds that go into your ear. But these are really good. You know, like I said, the highs and the mids are really good. I played all different types of music on these as well. So they just slot into your ear like that. So just go in and just sit in by your ear. And they are comfortable as well. You can hardly feel that they're in. So yeah, they are really good quality by Soundpeats. You know, they are making some really good headphones as well, because I did review the Soundpeats Capsule Pro Plus as well. They are really good wireless earbuds as well, but these have come, you know, are really good for open back earbuds. Also, you can take calls on these as well, and I've tried the calling features on this as well. The sound quality of when people you're talking to from your phone, so the sound is clear, people can hear me when you've got these in as well. So they are really good if you've got these in and you need to take or receive calls. The sound quality is really clear and crisp as well, so people can still hear you when you are making calls on these open back earbuds. You know, I hope you did like the video on these. I will leave the link of where you can get these from below in the description. I do believe that retailing about £65 on their website or on Amazon. So if you could leave a like and comment as well on this video, that would be much appreciated. And, you know, subscribe to my channel, because it does help the YouTube algorithm. If you click the like button, this will get shown to more people. So I hope to see you all again on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon.